Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to build credit at 18. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build credit at 18. For today's video, I have 8 steps to build credit card at 18. So, when you follow these 8 steps, I'm sure that you will be able to build your credit at 18 years old. So, the first thing you need to do is understand how credit works. That's the first step you need. So I'm going to explain to you the basics. So credit score basics. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better. Key factors: payment history 35%, pay bills on time is crucial, credit utilization 30%, use only a small portion of your available credit, credit history length 15%, start with your first account. Credit mix 10%. Having different types of credit like cards and loans can help. New credit inquiries 10%. Avoid too many hard inquiries in short time. And my step number 2 for you guys is open a checking and saving account. These accounts don't build credit directly but establish your financial responsibility. Many banks offer accounts tolerated from your young adults. And step 3, get a starter credit card. So here are the options. So we have a student credit card. These are designed for young people with little to no credit history. And we have another one, a secure credit card. Requires a deposit that acts as your credit limit. It is a great way to build a credit if you're starting from scratch. Number 3, authorized user. As a family member with good credit, to add you to their credit as an authorized user. This allows you to inherit their good credit history. So, I a little bit of small tip for you guys. If you're just starting new, try if you have anybody who's using credit card or parents or maybe someone there. I suggest you start with authorized user. So, small tip for you guys is try authorized user. And number 4, use credit responsibly. Only charge what you can afford. Treat your credit card like cash. Pay your bill in full on time. This builds payment history and avoid interest charges. Keep utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your limit is 500, keep your balance below 150. So, a rule of thumb, don't make it 150. Instead, make it 100 only. And number 5, consider a credit builder loan because sometimes it offer by some banks and credit union. The small loan is designed to help build credit. Your payment are reported to credit bureaus, which help establish history of on-time payments. And number 6, you have monitor credit reports. So when monitoring your credit report, check your credit reports regularly. Use free apps like annualcreditreport.com to get free reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for errors or fraud and dispute them if necessary. Number 7, avoid common pitfalls. Don't miss payments. Even one late payment can harm your credit score. Don't apply for too many accounts. Each application can lower your score temporarily. Avoiding high interest debt. Pay balance in full to avoid carrying cost debt. Number 8, the best tip, be patient. Building a credit takes time. Start small and gradually expand your credit option as you demonstrate responsibility. So there you go. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys like the video. And quick tip for you guys, another tip, choose which bank to use. Research which bank to use because each bank gives a different percentage and gives a different amount. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.